Now I will discuss regarding the state, regarding the articles related to the state government. In the last video, I have discussed up to Article 212. Now I will discuss from Article 213, and Article 213 is related to the legislative power of the governor. Actually, Article 230 tells us power of governor to promulgate ordinances during recess of legislature. This is regarding Article 213. From Article 214 to Article 231, these are related to the high courts in the states. Article 214 is related to the high courts for states. Article 215 is related to high courts to be courts of record. Article 216 is related to the constitution of high courts. Article 270 is related to appointment and conditions of the office of a judge of a high court. Article 280 is related to the application of certain provisions relating to Supreme Court to high courts. Article 219 is related to oath or affirmation by judges of high courts. Article 220 is related to restrictions on practice after being a permanent judge. Article 221 is related to salaries, etc. of judges. Article 222 is related to transfer of a judge from one high court to another. Article 223 is related to appointment of acting chief justice. Article 224 is related to appointment of additional and acting judges. Article 224A is related to appointment of retired judges at sittings of high courts. Article 225 is related to the jurisdiction of existing high courts. Article 226 is related to power of high courts to issue certain writs. Article 226A is again repealed. Constitutional validity of central laws not to be considered in proceedings under Article 226 are represented by the Constitution 43rd Amendment Act 1977. Article 227 is related to power of superintendence over all courts by the High Courts. High Court. Article 228 is related to transfer of certain cases to High Court. Article 228A is again repealed. The special provisions as to disposal of questions relating to constitutional validity of state laws represented by the Constitution 43rd Amendment Act 1977. Article 229 includes officers and servants and the expenses of high courts. Article 230 includes extension of jurisdiction of high courts of union territories. Extension of jurisdiction of high courts to union territories. And Article 231 is related to establishment of a common high court for two or more states. Now I will discuss about the subordinate courts. The articles related to subordinate courts from 233 to 237. Article 233 is related to appointment of district judges. Article 233A is related to validation of appointments of judgments etc. delivered by certain district judges. Article 234 is related to recruitment of persons other than district judges to the judicial service. Article 235 is related to control over subordinate courts. And Article 236 is related to interpretation. In this chapter, the expression district judge includes judges of a city civil court, additional district judge, a joint district judge, assistant district judge, chief judge of a small court, chief presidency magistrate, additional chief presidency magistrate, sessions judge, additional judge, sessions judge, and assistant sessions judge. Second B, the expression judicial service means a service consisting exclusively of persons intended to fill the post of district judge and other civil judicial posts inferior to the post of district judge. Article 237 is related to the application of the provisions of this chapter to certain classes or classes of magistrate. Article 237 says application of the provisions of this chapter to certain classes of magistrates. The governor may by public notification direct that the foregoing provisions of this chapter and any rules made thereunder shall with effect from such date as may be fixed by him in that behalf apply in relation to any class or classes of magistrates in the state as they apply in relation to persons appointed to the judicial service of the state subject to such exceptions and modifications as may be specified in the notification. These are up to Article 237 related to the state government. In this I have discussed the legislative power of the governor, the high courts in the states, and the subordinate courts. Thank you.